I hear the sounds of them and people talking. The scenes recalled by minute movement, and songs they fall from the backing tape. That certain texture, that certain smell, to lie and sweat on familiar sheets, in brick veneer on finest beds, in a room of silent hearty flex. That certain texture, that certain smell, brings home the heavy days, brings home the nighttime swell. Out on the patio we'd sit, in the humidity we'd breathe. We'd watch the lightning crack over cane fields, this is Australia. The black is all quiet, it faces west.